Welcome to a masterclass in Mediterranean balance. Located in the heart of San Cayetano, Murcia, this exclusive new enclave is where sharp, contemporary design meets the tranquility of a Spanish village. With 72 meticulously crafted homes, we aren't just offering a residence, we are offering a total lifestyle upgrade. Your morning coffee just got a major upgrade. San Cayetano offers a chic, authentic village vibe, but you are never far from the action. Within minutes, you can be exploring the vibrant, historic streets of Murcia city, or feeling the sand between your toes at the crystal-clear Santiago de la Ribera beach. It is the perfect blend of city, sea, and serene village life. Phase 1 features 4 elegant blocks of 2- and 3-bedroom apartments. The design is as crisp as the coastal air, woven together by lush communal gardens and tropical walking paths. Every detail has been considered to ensure your home is a private sanctuary of peace and comfort. Designed for those who appreciate the finer things, without the noise. The complex is designed to maximize sun and space. Wellness isn't an afterthought here, it's the centerpiece. Dive into one of 2 sparkling designer pools, or hit your goals in the state-of-the-art gym. Framed by modern pergolas and palms, every detail has been built with your relaxation in mind. From the in-water pool lounges to the private garden paths, every inch of this project has been built for your comfort. Step inside to a world of excellence. These open-concept homes come fully equipped with modern kitchens and high-end finishes. Every modern convenience has been integrated into the design, including full pre-installation for ducted air conditioning to keep you cool year-round. Each home is complete with 2 sleek, fully fitted bathrooms. Relax in your private sanctuary. From private garden terraces to spectacular rooftop solariums, your slice of Murcia is waiting. With private parking and storage included, this is the smart choice for luxury living. Contact White Coast Realty today for floor plans and pricing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive regular updates.